So you think you're ready to buy a home in 2023. This is going to be the year. That's a really big decision. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to help you through that process. But before I jump into that, I want to ask you to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content coming out. Welcome to Real Estate Simplified.
The mission of this journey is to help people that are considering a move to the real estate industry, have been doing this for a short period of time, or who simply want to know more about real estate and the behind the scenes ins and outs of the highs and sometimes lows of this industry. Welcome to Real Estate Simplified.
All right, so the first thing we're going to want to do is determine your budget. Before you start looking at homes, it is important to determine how much you can afford to spend. This will depend on your income, debt, as well as expenses. You can use an online calculator to estimate your monthly payments and total cost. All right, so step 2 is going to go hand in hand with step 1. That's getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This is definitely going to give you an idea of how much you can borrow and what your interest rate will be. You are going to need to provide your financial information to the lender, such as your income, debts, and a few more other items. You're also going to find out what your credit score is. Many lenders can now do what they call a soft pull for your credit score, so it will not impact your score. You will also be guided by the lender on whether or not any work needs to be done on your credit score, and if you should in fact pay down or pay off any certain accounts. Next, you're going to be finding a real estate agent. A good real estate agent can help you find properties that not only fit your budget, but also your preferences. They can also guide you through the negotiation and closing process. I do have a post on my Instagram page outlining questions that you should be asking someone before selecting them as your realtor. You can find that information on my Instagram page at Brandon Kayla Real Estate. All right, the fun part, we're going to start house hunting. We're going to look at homes in the areas you're interested in and make a list of features you want in a home. You can search online or go to open houses to get a better idea of what is available. Also, your realtor should be scheduling some showings for you. I know I am guilty, you probably are too, of checking out homes on Zillow. I do want to warn you, a lot of the information about homes on that app, it's going to be outdated. I can't tell you how many times I've had a client send me a link to a home on Zillow only to find out it's already under contract. I'm saying this to help you. You're setting yourself up for heartbreak, so don't do it. All right, next we're going to be making an offer. When you do find a home you like, you will need to make an offer to the seller. Your real estate agent, that's me, can help you determine a fair price and negotiate with the seller. Your agent is also going to be writing the offer and will need you to sign a few documents to make your offer look great. All right, now that we're under contract, we're going to be getting a home inspection. Before you finalize the sale, you will need to have a professional home inspector inspect the property. This happens during the option period. That period can typically be around 7 days to allow for the inspection and repair negotiations. This is going to ensure that there are no major issues with the home that could be expensive to fix once you do make it to the closing table. All right, all the hard stuff's done. Now all we have to do is close. Once the inspection is complete and any necessary repairs have been made, you will need to sign the final paperwork as well as transfer all the closing costs. This is known as the closing process and will be done at a title company or with a mobile notary. All right, congratulations, you are now a homeowner. You can move in and start making your new house feel like your home. For more information like this, check out the other videos I have on the channel. Also, check the description for the comprehensive home buying guide as well as my roadmap for all these steps and a few extras. Thanks for being here.